Hi, I'm Vidali. I'm an architect and designer.
And I am Peter Vits. Welcome to our NoHo home.
When we bought the place, it was a typical 80s artist loft, but we were impressed with the volume of the space. So what we wanted to do was gut it out, open it up, and take advantage of the massive height of the loft. First thing I decided to do, since the apartment was pretty dark, is to replace the whole facade with a 3-story high cast iron window.
So we had the idea of actually making our entrance there because it's a paved street. It really feels like old Manhattan and feels like a townhouse now.
So in the effort to bring more light in, we eliminated most of the floor plates, and then we lowered the main floor level in order to create 3 spaces: the cellar, the main level, and the mezzanine spaces.
The basement level is where we really like to entertain. We have our indoor garden, the living room, the bar and a pool table, 2 guest rooms, a sauna and a steam room.
This is what we call Palm Springs meets Japan meets Manhattan. You can sit there, have your coffee, or have a drink at night where we entertain. So to tie it with the rest of the space, we used reclaimed wood from the beams that we removed from the floor levels. The main living area is like literally sitting in this big void. We take advantage of the full height of the apartment, which is like 27 feet. And then all the areas towards the back, we get the less light, is reserved for the bar, the sauna, activities that require very low light. We decided to expose the brick. When we exposed it, it looked like in really good condition. So we decided to keep it as is. In our minds, it's like the typical New York loft.
The main floor, there we have our dining area and kitchen. In the kitchen, we mainly have like a white marble. We have veneer, and we have the backdrop is the exposed brick. And also a little garden that is built into the countertop. It's supposed to be actually for spices, but spices, they die quickly, so we put some interesting plants that stay alive.
When we decided to gut the space, of course, we needed a way to connect all these 3 levels together. So the main staircase that connects the public areas is the exposed one, is open with glass railing, all in welded steel. And the one that leads to our bedroom and our private office is a little bit tucked in the back. And since there's obviously these voids in the middle, we created these catwalks that is the main circulation.
It's so nice to actually throw parties in here. That can be 50, 60 people, but you only feel like it's like 10 people because of these different levels, you can see each other. The great thing that Zoe came up with for the top floor is that this is actually our space, just hers and mine. The bedroom is actually cantilevered over the main space, and since it's in the back of the building, we really don't have any noise and have sound sleeps every night.
Obviously wanted the bedroom to be intimate and quiet, but at the same time wanted it to be able to open up to this big space. So we used steel operable windows. When we open these windows and pull the blinds up, like the bedroom looks out in the space, and the space actually is part of the bedroom. Since this is our own space and I was lucky enough to be able to design it, we could do whatever we wanted, how we wanted it, and we're very happy with the result.
And I get to enjoy it, and I hope you did too. And thank you for coming.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.